How to install an Xfinity Doorbell Camera. I'm going to tell you how to install an Xfinity Doorbell Camera in 2025. First, confirm your home has a working wired doorbell chime and transformer 16 to 24 vac, as the doorbell needs that power. Power off your doorbell circuit breaker before removing the old unit. This keeps things safe. Mount the included bracket or angled bracket if you want a better angle. Drill pilot holes if needed, and secure it firmly to your wall surface. Connect the two existing wires to the doorbell screws. They're interchangeable, so no need to worry about polarity. And tuck the wires neatly behind the bracket. Snap the camera unit onto the bracket and fasten the top screw. Restore power and open the Xfinity app. Your doorbell should appear with a blinking light for pairing. Follow the in-app prompts to connect it to Wi-Fi, name it, and customize settings like motion zones and notifications. Once paired, you'll get live HD video, two-way audio, and motion alerts. If you run into issues like no indoor chime, the app or Xfinity support can walk you through installing the chime adapter.